Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here. Today in this training, I'm gonna show you how I made $326 in 3 days without spending a single dime on ads. So I'm gonna talk about this, right? So here, first let me show you my results. As you can see, these are my results where I have made $126, $200. You can see that. Very frankly, these are my old results. But here in this case study, or you can say in this training, I'll show you one of the example that how I made these commissions. I'll show you the process, what process that I followed, right? So here my, you can say, disclaimer is that very frankly I don't give you any guarantee that you will be making such commissions, because everything depends on your efforts, time and circumstances, right? But here I'm showing you my strategy that has worked for me. Got it? So now here, what happened? Someone approached me and he sent me the message. You can see that. Hi sir, I want to join OFA challenge. Actually, I was promoting this training. You can see that one funnel away challenge training. This is one of the best training I would say. If someone wants to learn how to start online business, then I would highly recommend you go and do this training at least for once. Down below, I will put the link. You can go and join this training if you are serious and committed to do your online business, right? So he approached me for this training. I want affiliate bootcamp training in bonuses and also your other bonuses. You can see that affiliate bootcamp training where you can say there are, you can say, super affiliates. They have revealed their strategy, that what they have done to make 5-figure, 6-figure affiliate commission. So he was talking about this training, affiliate bootcamp training, right? And he was also asking about my bonuses. You can see that. And then my message, okay, I send you link to my bonuses. Yes, please, before buying OFA challenge, clear cookies from your browser all time and open the link using incognito window and check my ID so and so in browser and take screenshot. So this is my message that I sent to him. And next, I sent him the link to join OFA challenge and I told him, yes, on the next page, as you submit email, then on the next page there is OFA challenge. And I also sent him my bonuses. Here is the details of my bonuses. Yes, as you register for OFA challenge, then let me know. We will fix a coaching call that I will give you for free. Then his message, okay sir, thanks. I will buy in next 2 days. Then my message was, why to wait for 2 days? Credit card. So he told me that he is facing some credit card issues. Then after that, okay sir, please guide me on how I become 2 comma club winner. It's my dream. And my message, you can see that. Please. Very frankly, bro, I'm not yet 2 comma club winner. So I'm so sorry, but sure, I will help you to start your affiliate marketing business so you can make commission. And then he gave me laughing emojis. Okay, sir, guide me on promoting ClickFunnels. Yes, definitely, I will guide you in promoting ClickFunnels as this is what I do. So you can see my message. And then payment done. Mean to say he bought the one funnel away challenge training, or you can say he registered with one funnel away challenge training. I said, awesome, bro. Send me your receipt at my email address. This was, because you can say, my all email address that I was using. Yes, don't buy any upsell. Payment receipt, email sent. Thanks, sir. So he sent me this message. Now, here, I asked him, why did you purchase OFA from me? Then he said, first, I checked your Facebook profile and found you are a genuine and real person and provides great content there. This was his message. Second, he told me, I saw some of your videos on YouTube and found it of great value. And third, he told me he has also read my ebook, which is in very simple language. And he learned a lot about affiliate marketing and he read my ebook within 2 days. You can see that. And then he told me, This is the first book he read in 2 days because of simple language. Fourth, I read your story in the ebook and I loved it. Fifth, finally, he approached me and took the decision to buy OFA through me because of the trust. Me, wow, that's awesome, bro. Thank you so much for putting trust on me. So, this was my old Facebook profile. You can see that. So, he was talking about this profile. And this was my, you can say, old YouTube channel. Don't worry, I will also show you my current YouTube channel. Actually, here I just want to say that what you need to do, you need to provide valuable content on your platform. So my platform was Facebook as well as YouTube. There I was consistently promoting valuable content. So here, if you are beginner, I would say just focus on one platform. So in your case, it can be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever platform that you pick one platform and master it, right? And yes, once you master at one platform, then you can go with another. So in my case, first I picked my platform, that is Facebook, and then side by side, I started working on my YouTube channel, right? And you can see that. So what I did there, I created two-step simple funnel offering lead magnets. So this was my, you can say, ebook. You can see this is my ebook, and I was offering this ebook for free. Why? To build the trust, to build my goodwill, to build my personal brand. And that's why I always say offer lead magnet. Create your two-step sales system where you offer lead magnet in exchange of name and email address. And when someone submits their name and email address, they go to your thank you page or bridge page where you offer your bonuses, bridging the gap between the subscriber and the affiliate product that you are promoting, right? And then what you need to do, you need to create lead magnet. I have always said this thing so many times. Build your lead magnet, create your lead magnet. So as in my case, it was my ebook that I was offering. And you can see that he read my ebook within 2 days because the language was so simple. So your lead magnet must be easy to consume, right? So come up with a simple and short lead magnet. It can be any masterclass, webinar training, cheat sheet, simple guide, right? So it's up to you. And then as you have noticed that he read my story. So in your lead magnet, tell your story. So in my lead magnet, I have revealed my story. Let me show you everything that I have just told you. Okay, just let me just finish this one and then I will show you everything. Okay, then he said bonuses. So as in my case, he asked for bonuses and I sent my funnel link where I am offering bonuses. So this was, you can say, bonus page that I sent him. You can see that. And finally, what you need to do, you need to be honest, genuine and transparent. As you might have noticed that where he said to me that, hey, I want to become 2 comma club winner. Then I clearly said to him, I'm not a 2 comma club winner, but I told him that yes, I can guide you how to start affiliate marketing. So that's why it's very, very important to be honest, genuine and transparent. And yes, promise only that you can give. Never ever say something that you can't fulfill. Right? As in my case, you can see that I promised to help him to promote ClickFunnels and will help, you can say, I will help him to start his affiliate marketing business so he can make commission. You can see that here. And yes, give what they want. This is very, very important. As you have noticed that when he came to me, he asked me about two things: affiliate bootcamp training and bonuses. So immediately I gave him this affiliate bootcamp training link as well as my bonuses. So give what they want and you teach them what they need when they become your customer, right? So now, as you can see, all these factors made him to know me, like me, and have trust on me. And when trust was built, he took the decision to buy OFA through me. So here, point to understand is that nobody going to buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. I have said this thing so many times, and I will be keep repeating this thing again and again. Please, please work on how you can let people know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. Start working on that. And I have shown you everything that what you can do. So here you have to think what you can do right from today onwards so that people can start liking you, knowing you, having trust on you, and feel relatable to you. I have revealed to you everything that what you can do. Right? So here let me show you, as you have seen my old channel. Everything is same. This is my same channel. Here I have changed the name. Earlier it was whatever I know. Now I have changed it to Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Right? You can see that. My previous, you can say, Facebook profile that you have seen. Now this is my new Facebook profile. So here I'm doing the same thing. I haven't changed anything. My strategy is same. Now here you can see that. This is the same ebook that I was offering. All I did, I have just changed its cover. That's it. Content is same. So I'm following the same strategy because it is working. So this is the ebook that I am offering, and here in this ebook you can see that this is my, you can say, here I am talking about my story. You can see that who I am, what I have done, what were my challenges, and all that you can see. So same thing you have to do. Create your own lead magnet. This is the lead magnet that I was using to get leads and sales. Yes, I have shown you my, you can say, funnel. So here you can see that nowadays I'm using this funnel, but strategy is same. Earlier I was offering my ebook as a lead magnet, but now I have changed my lead magnet. Now here it is 4-figure content formula. And if someone submits his name and email address, then they will go to my thank you page, or you can say that my bridge page. Here, what I'm doing, I'm offering bonuses. You can see that. You can see that. Strategy is same, my friend. Right? You can see that. My bonuses. And this was the product that I was promoting, one funnel away challenge training. Got it? If you want to join this one funnel away challenge training, then yes, I would highly recommend you please go and join this one funnel away challenge training. And if you join, then I will give you my bonuses too. If you join this one funnel away challenge training using my affiliate link, right? So down below, I will put the link. You can go and check out my bonuses, right? So now you know how I made $326 in 3 days without spending a single dime on ads. I haven't paid anything for the paid ads. I have applied same strategy that I have just revealed to you. So that's how I make commission. So yes, if you are serious, I would highly recommend you please go and apply this strategy. Build your two-step sales system offering lead magnet, and create your bridge page where you offer bonuses. Create your lead magnet that you give for free, and in your lead magnet have your own story, right? Create your Facebook profile and start posting valuable content on your Facebook profile. And yes, if possible, if you have time, then yes, side by side also build your own YouTube channel. Start posting valuable content on your YouTube channel too. Slowly, slowly, you will see that people are knowing you, they are liking you, they are having trust on you, and they are feeling relatable to you. And when trust is built, everything will be easy. People will come to you. You don't have to chase for the sale. They will come to you. You can see that. He approached me directly, right? So now you know how I made $326 in just 3 days without spending a single dime on ads. Yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I would be so happy to answer to your question. So that's it for this training. I'll see you in the next training. Bye bye.